writing workshop. B208, class so great. This is the writing workshop.
What's up, B208, class so great? Well, we just online today. My name is Professor Woe, and today is an important day because you're going to begin collecting your ideas for your fictional stories in your new writer's notebook. Everybody say, woo, woo, yeah. And I want to teach you where writers look to find those ideas. You know that story, Charlotte's Web? You might have heard it. I'm sure you have, actually. Well, you know E.B. White, the person who wrote Charlotte's Web, was laying in his barn watching a spider spin webs. He wrote about it in his book, and later he wrote a whole story about this little spider spinning magnificent webs. Whoa! Where'd that piglet come from? Crazy. But watch me as I try to think about a story that has that I have an emotional connection to. So, I got one. I remember I was at the YMCA in Pomona, California. I did like a basketball camp. And I was walking, looking at the gym, looking at everybody play basketball, and I wasn't paying attention where I was going. Then the next thing you know, boom! I end up falling down the stairs at the very front of the YMCA in front of all my friends. I was super embarrassed. I mean, embarrassed. It was terrible. It wasn't funny at the time, but all my friends started laughing. And then I started laughing because I realized I looked very stupid. But it was funny, right? I couldn't help but laugh. And don't you dare laugh. But writers, remember, you use these few simple steps to kind of brainstorm your fictional story concepts. First, think about a time where you had strong emotions. Like me, falling down the stairs, being super embarrassed. That was a strong emotion. Next thing you do is you tell it bit by bit. Tell the story piece by piece and break it down. Break it down. Next, think about those ideas and those memories with strong emotions and process how they might become possible fiction stories. You never know. Final 2 steps, you jot down your small moment stories. First, you would write something like, for me, I remember falling at the YMCA and I was so embarrassed and all my friends were laughing, and then I began to laugh with them and it was all okay. And then, finally, you jot down any ideas you have for a fictional story. Like, I might write a story about a boy who was embarrassed or a boy who always laughed at people who fail. And then finally, he failed and it wasn't so funny anymore. All right, so now it's your turn to do some thinking. Let's think of some strong emotional memories that you've had over the course of this school year. And I know there have been a few. Right now, I want you to pause this video, jot down your memories, and also jot down some ideas that you could take from your memories. Think about the piglet. Yeah, think about me. But remember, it has to be a realistic fictional story. So, although I used Charlotte's Web as an example, you can't actually, in this case, have animals speak. Oink, oink. Pro tip coming to you like pew.
Get back in your seat now. Excuse me, stop talking while I'm talking. Raise your hand. B208, class so great. This is the writing workshop. B208, class so great. This is the writing workshop.